Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase. In today's video, we'll show you how to do a quick and easy self-check-in for repair or recovery. Let's jump right in. First, click on the self-check-in button. Next, choose whether it's a repair or recovery service. Now verify your contact. Enter email or mobile number. Click Send OPT and enter the code you receive. Once verified, click Next Step. Fill in your basic information like your name, mobile number, email ID. You can also add your address details if you'd like address line, region or state, city, town, postal, zip code. Once you're done, click Next Step. Next up, add your device information. Choose the device type, mobile, laptop, etc. Select the brand and model. Enter serial or IMEI number. Select accessories. Enter the device password. Pick required services. And don't forget to add a detailed issue description so the team knows exactly what's going on. Finally, review the terms and conditions and choose to either save the check-in or book a pickup. Pick your preferred date or time. You can also adjust your address before booking the pickup. Once you submit, the self-check-in request is instantly sent to the admin team in the CRM, making sure they're ready for your device as soon as it arrives. And that's it. Your self-check-in is done in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more repair business tips and BytePhase CRM updates. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help.